Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. These are our marigold from winter season. Even though they only flower in winter, we sometimes got flower in summer as well. This is a summer marigold plant. The size of the flowers are a little small compared to the winter ones. But still, there is a lot of flowerings in our summer marigold plant every year. But this year, none of our plants bloomed because of the harsh climate in Delhi. So in this video, let me show you how my mom prepares all her plants from seeds. So for that, my mom is first preparing the soil. Here my mom is separating the soil from the soil clumps. Next, my mom is taking a small pot and putting a cotton cloth in its bottom. Next, she is putting the soil in the pot. Next, she will slowly put the plant into the pot. Do you know she had actually planted this plant in the vegetable bed? She had actually scattered the seeds and they grew by themselves. After 10 days, she saw her plants like this. They were a bit small, that's why my mom thought of pruning the plants. Pinching or pruning helps in lateral branching of the plants. And lateral branching makes it more bushier. Here, as you can see, because of lateral branching, many of our plants have grew tall. But for some plants which did not grow tall or bushy, my mom is pruning them again. And with the cuttings, she can plant new plants. And after the interval of every 10 days, my mom removes the weeds and digs the soil. My mom digs the soil as it helps in aeration and it also helps to prevent waterlogging. There are many videos in our channel of this marigold plant, so if you wish to watch them, you can go to our playlist and watch them all. Here now, my mom is planting the cuttings into pots. Just simply remove the lower parts of the leaves and plant it like this. After that, she will simply water it. You can also easily do this in your homes if the price of your marigold plants are little costly. But that's all for today. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.